Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking at some interesting problem where where they won't provide us the distribution table, but they will give our some of the information. That is, for example, in this problem they have provided us with the frequency as well as the step deviation. They have provided what is mean as well as variance value. We have to find the distribution table, that is class interval, as well as the we have to class interval as well as the x values and frequency. So this is a quite interesting problem. Let us read over it. So they have provided us with the standard j values as well as the frequency values. J is nothing but the step derivative. So they have provided us -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So frequency they are provided with the first 2, 5, 7, 13, 21, 16, 8, 3. So this is a distribution table. They have given us mean is equal to, they have provided us with the mean, that is 21.6, and with the variance 63.9725. So this is the information we know from the table. So from the table, what are the insights we can get? So they have provided us with the mean and with the variance. Now see, from the f as well as the d, we can find fd value as well as fd square value, and we can find the n value. We can find n value, that is sigma f of I. We can also find sigma fd. We can also find sigma fd square. So now which formula do we need to use? Variance. We have to use formula variance. Variance is equal to 1 by n sigma f x minus x square, or rho square is equal to h square of 1 by n sigma fd square minus of 1 by n sigma fd whole square. Which formula will be best suitable? So I will go with this formula because it is because we have all the variables inside it. Here we don't know the x value, so it is not that much important to take this value to find x. So we have to find x value. So I will be using this formula as well as a mean. So mean we are having, mean is equal to a plus h by n sigma fd. So we know we got the d as well as fd values. So there is nothing problem to find all this. So let us head over to the solution. This is a basic 5 marks question. We can solve it in easier manner. So your solution, let us do this problem. So x bar is equal to 21.9, and our variance they are provided with as 63.9725. So let us draw the table. So let me draw the table here itself. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is our d value and f value. So f 2, 5, 7, 13, 21, 16, 8, 3. So we can find n value. N is nothing but the sum of frequencies. Let us find the sum of frequencies. 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 21 plus 16 plus 8 plus 3. So we got frequency as 75. So n is equal to 75. Let us find. So we have calculated n value. Let us find fd. So f into d, -4 into 2, -8, -3 into 5, -15, -14, -13, 0, 16, 16, 9. So let us calculate the sum of fd value also. -8, -15, -14, -13 plus 16 plus 16 plus 9. So we got solution as -9. Sigma fd is equal to -9. So let us calculate sigma fd fd square also. So we have find FD also. Sorry, FD. Let us find FD square. So it is a two variable. So let us do it fast. For x into power by square. So let us calculate f2, and it is minus 4 32. So don't get confused. We are doing f, and later we are going with the d value 5 minus 3 45. Next calc 7 minus 2 28. Calc 13 minus 1 13. Here it will be 0. Next 16 1 is 16. Calc 16. Sorry, I have done a mistake. So x value is, now we have to find for 8, right? 8 4 128, and last one 3 3 3 27. So let us add all the values, all these values. So 32 plus 45 plus 28 plus 13 plus 16 plus 8 plus 27, which results to 40. So results, let us I think we have made a mistake. I think we have done a calculation mistake somewhere. 32 45 28 13 0 16. So here 8 into 4 8 4. So we are not, we will be only getting 128 here. So we will be getting 32. Just a small calculation mistake. So let us find the sum of FD square. 32 plus 45 plus 28 plus 13 plus 16 plus 32 plus 27. We'll be having a solution of sigma FD square is equal to 192. So we have calculated FD square value also. Let us try to solve the problem. So let us find the variance. Variance is equal to h square of 1 by n sigma FD square minus of 1 by n sigma FD whole square. So what is h? H we don't know. We have to calculate h. So what is n? What n is? We got 75. So 75 sigma FD square. So we have calculated FD square as FD square is 192. Let me check. FD square is 193. So we have written 192. So no problem. Minus of 1 by n 1 by 75 of FD. We got FD as minus 9 whole square. So let us do what is variance. They have provided variance as 63.9725. So 63.9725 is equal to h square of 193 by 72. 193 divided by 72 equal, sorry, 75 equal to 2.573 minus of minus 9 divided by 75 whole square. So minus 9 divided by 75, we got minus 0.12. We have to square it. So 0.063.9725 is equal to h square of 2.573 minus of 0.0144. So let us subtract this value from this. So 2.5773 minus 0.0144, which results to h square of 2.5586 63.9725. So h square is equal to, so let us divide that 63.9725 divided by 2.5586 is equal to 25.00. So 25.00 cent square, that's it. So h is equal to 5. So now we got the height. So now what is the height? Height is nothing but the difference between the midpoints. that is x2 minus x1 is equal to 5. Make this as equation 1. So let us find another variable using the mean. So mean is equal to a plus h by n sigma ft. So what is a? We don't know. We have to calculate a value. But mean we know that's 21.9. So mean is 21.9 is equal to a plus what is h? H we now got as h is 5. 5 by what is n? N value is 75. N value is 75 and sigma fd is minus 9. So let us add all this. Sum 5 into minus 9 minus 45 divided by 75, it is minus 0.6. A minus 0.6, 21.9. So a is equal to 21.9 plus 0.6 is equal to 22.5. So we got a value as 22.5. A is nothing but the middle term, that is the middle value of the midpoints. So we got a value as 22.5. So by this we can easily draw our conclusion table, but we know that x is the sum of two midpoints, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 is equal to a, that is the middle value. So we know a value but we don't know the x1 and x2. So a is 22.5. So 1 plus x2 is equal to 2 of 22.5. x1 plus x2 is equal to 45. So mark this as equation 2. So solve equation 1 as well as equation 2 to get x and y values. So x value and x2 value. So take your calculator. Equations, so unknowns 2, a1 minus 1, a2 1, c 5, here 1 1 45. So we got x1 as 20 and x2 as 25. So we got the solution. That is, now we have to draw a table. So the interval is between 20 to 25 with the a value of 22.5 with the frequency. What is the frequency? How we know that what is the frequency? We can see from here. Where there is a 0, that is the arbitrary frequency value we have taken. So our frequency will be 21. So here 21. So frequency midpoint, and this is a class interval. So we know the height is 5 difference. So here you will be getting 15 to 20, 10 to 15. Sorry, it is 5 to 10, 0 to 5. So let us write the frequencies first. You won't get confused later. We have 13 7, 5 2, and later 16 8 3. These are the frequencies. So now draw the limits. Class interval 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and 35 to 40 are the class intervals. Now try to write the midpoint value. Midpoint value is also of 5 difference. So draw the below one. Add 5 to the value 27.5. Next 32.5. Next 37.5 is a midpoint value, and above detect minus 5. We'll be getting 17.5, and we'll be getting 12.5, and we'll be getting 7.5, and we'll be getting 2.5. So this is the actual process to get class interval as well as midpoint with when they won't provide us when they don't provide us in the question. So in case if they provide any of the values, like this, for d value, step deviate to or the frequency value, we have to go in this method to get the actual class as well as the midpoint values. This is the entire process, and it is a simple 5 marks question, so don't worry, it will be, you can solve it in a one go. Thank you.